Hey guys, this is Shiv Shankar welcoming you on my YouTube channel Study with the Master. Here I am going to teach you some words of English language which are very helpful for those examination in which English is asked as a compulsory language. And I am telling you these are words will work as synonyms and antonyms and as a part of the comprehension. And if you know these are words, then you can utilize these are words in your daily activities like speaking to someone and expressing yourself in front of anyone or in a meeting or in a conversation. You can utilize these are words. So I will express these are words in a complete sentence by using these are words in a sentences. So please study with me and learn how to speak English very well. So dear, come with me and learn this session. This session is going to be started by the first one. That letter is here, that word is here, that is genuine. Genuine means सचमुच या वास्तविक. Genuinely उससे बना है, इसका अर्थ होता है सचमुच. So we can say that genuinely I was not there. सचमुच मैं वहां नहीं था. But I can understand what was happening there. लेकिन मैं समझ सकता हूँ कि वहाँ क्या हो रहा था. So dear, this is going to be miracle for you. यह आपके लिए एक चमत्कार होने जा रहा है. Please come with me and learn this. कृपया मेरे साथ आइए और पढ़िए. So next word is wonder. Here is wonder. Wonder means आश्चर्यजनक. So that was working as a wonder. वह एक आश्चर्य के रूप में कार्य कर रहा था. And everybody was unable to understand the reality. और सभी वास्तविकता को समझने में असमर्थ थे. So we can say that I have utilized this word wonder very well for you. अतः हम कह सकते हैं इस wonder शब्द को मैंने आपके साथ के लिए भली भांति प्रयोग किया. So next word is here, that is Congress. Congress is very simple word. You know that there is a party that is Congress. So that is not the right meaning of that, but the right meaning of that is सम्मेलन. इसका सही अर्थ क्या है? सम्मेलन. So if we can say that in that science congress, उस विज्ञान के सम्मेलन में the scientists from all over the world, पूरे संसार से वैज्ञानिक were gathered there, वहां इकट्ठा हुए थे, and they were presenting the futuristic research and development, और वे भविष्यगत रिसर्च और शोध और डेवलपमेंट विकास प्रस्तुत कर रहे थे. We are going to study the next word is here, articulate. Do you know the meaning of articulate? Articulate means सुस्पष्ट. So we can say that whatever presented by him, जो कुछ भी उसके द्वारा प्रस्तुत किया गया, that was totally articulated well. वो पूर्णतः सुस्पष्ट रूप से व्यक्त किया गया था. So next word is here, unable. I can say it very well. मैं इसे अच्छी तरह कह सकता हूँ कि I am unable to do that work. मैं वो कार्य करने में असमर्थ हूँ. But I will definitely try my best to do that. लेकिन मैं वास्तव में अपना भरसक प्रयास करूंगा उसे करने में. The next word is here, religion. Religion, which meaning in Hindi is धर्म, जिसका हिंदी में अर्थ होता है धर्म. So we can utilize this word in a sentence. इस शब्द को हम एक वाक्य के रूप में प्रयोग कर सकते हैं. And that can be, और वह हो सकता है that कि we are not a very simple person. हम बहुत साधारण व्यक्ति नहीं हैं. We know it well that the real religion of the world is humanity. हम कह सकते हैं कि वास्तविक जो धर्म है वह है humanity, मानवता. So we can say that humanity is the real religion of the world. संसार का वास्तविक धर्म है humanity. It means human centric work and ideas. मानव केंद्रित work मतलब कार्य, and ideas और विचार is actually to be religion. वास्तव में वो क्या है, धर्म है. सो आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू this world that is elusive. Elusive means in Hindi we can say that it is mayavi. So we can say that this is an elusive task. यह एक मायावी कार्य है. So a simple mind cannot understand it. अतः एक सामान्य मस्तिष्क इसे नहीं समझ सकता. So we are going to study the next word that is here, study. Steady means दृढ़ या स्थिर या अस्थाई. We can say that the people those are working regularly and doing their task with steady, और जो अपने कार्य लगातार और स्थिर होकर कर रहे हैं, definitely one day would come, वास्तव में एक दिन आएगा when they will try their best to achieve something big, जब वे अपना भरसक प्रयास करेंगे कुछ बड़ा पाने का. So next word is garbage. Garbage means कूड़ा कचरा. The next word is garbage. Garbage means कूड़ा कचरा. The person those were collecting the garbage of the city, वे लोग जो शहर के कचरे इकट्ठा कर रहे थे, they were doing really the great task for keeping the city clean. वास्तव में वे एक महान कार्य कर रहे थे शहर को स्वच्छ बनाए रखने का. So next word is spatial. Spatial means आकाशीय या स्थानिक. So we can say that in a sentence we can use that this new nature of personality, यह व्यक्ति का एक नया नेचर. नेचर मीन्स होता है, what actual meaning of nature is स्वभाव. This new nature of personality of a person, we can say that this new nature of personality of the person, व्यक्ति का यह नया व्यक्तित्व या नया स्वभाव can be not special to me, मेरे लिए special और स्थानिक नहीं हो सकता है. So I am telling you that this special word is actually used to denote that this is related to some particular place. यह वास्तव में एक विशेष स्थान से संबंधित हो तो उसको कहते हैं special. और we can say that in an example we can say something differently, that हम कुछ अलग तरीके से कर सकते हैं. in an example, एक उदाहरण के रूप में, that whatever the sugar cane we are finding in those region, उन क्षेत्रों में जिस प्रकार के सुगर केन या गन्ने हम पा रहे हैं, they are totally special. वे क्या हैं, वास्तव में स्थानिक हैं. So next word is accept. I can't accept your ideas. मैं तुम्हारे विचारों को स्वीकार नहीं कर सकता, because personally, क्योंकि व्यक्तिगत रूप से I don't like them. मैं उन्हें accept या स्वीकार नहीं करता. I don't like them. मैं उन्हें पसंद नहीं करता. So next word is grappling. Grappling, कुश्ती मल युद्ध. Grappling. In that kind of grappling, we have seen that Duryodhan was defeated by whom? By Bhim. So in that grappling, उस मल्ल युद्ध में दुर्योधन was defeated by Bhim. दुर्योधन भीम द्वारा हार गया. And we finally found the winner. और अंततः हमने एक विजेता पाया. That was Bhim. वो कौन थे? भीम थे. The next word is procurement. The next word is procurement. This word is very simple and we always use in economics this word. और हम सदैव अर्थशास्त्र में इस शब्द को प्रयोग करते हैं. So procurement means actually the meaning is खरीदारी. So procurement. I am telling you that this aircraft to be procured from that place, उस स्थान से खरीदा जाना, is actually the most important things. वास्तव में सबसे महत्वपूर्ण कार्य है. Because this will enhance, ये बढ़ाएगा the capability of our air force, ये हमारे air force की क्षमता को. So I am telling you that this word procurement is utilized very well by me in front of you. So try to understand this word. We are going to study the next word that is given here, that is superior. I am talking about superior. That word is given here. So I can say that my best friend Mahesh is superior than Dinesh. So in this sentence we can say that my best friend, मेरा सबसे अच्छा मित्र महेश, who is superior than सुरेश, जो अधिक अच्छा है इसकी तुलना में सुरेश की तुलना में. So the next word is peaceful. I am talking about peaceful. Peaceful means शांति. So शांतिप्रिय या शांतिपूर्ण, peaceful. The peaceful nature of that bridegroom, उस दूल्हे का शांतिपूर्ण व्यवहार, was liked by everyone those came in the marriage party. प्रत्येक के द्वारा पसंद किया गया those came in the marriage party, जो शादी के समारोह में आए थे. So next word is investigation. Investigation means छानबीन या पूछताछ. So we can say that investigation word is over here and I am going to utilize this in a sentence. और मैं इसको एक वाक्य में प्रयोग करने जा रहा हूँ. So try to listen very well. अतः अच्छी तरह सुनने की कोशिश करिए and try to speak this very well. और इसे अच्छी तरह बोलने की कोशिश कीजिए. So please try to learn it with me. अतः मेरे साथ इसे सीखिए. So I am using here investigation. So the police and the CBI personnel were investigating that crime which took place in that metropolitan city, जो उस metropolitan city में took place घटित हुआ था. So police and CBI were investigating the case together. अतः पुलिस और CBI दोनों साथ साथ investigating means investigate कर रहे थे that matter together, उस matter को साथ साथ. The next word is confident. I am telling you this word, that is confident. मैं इस वाक्य शब्द को बता रहा हूँ आपको, that is confident. Confidence means विश्वास and our भरोसा. So I can tell you that that person is my best friend. वह व्यक्ति मेरा सबसे अच्छा मित्र है, because I have too much confidence in him that he will do something better in his life. क्योंकि मेरे अंदर उसके प्रति ज़्यादा विश्वास है कि वह भविष्य में कुछ अच्छा करेगा. So I am confident of that. मैं उस पर क्या हूँ, उस पर बहुत ज़्यादा विश्वास हूँ या भरोसा करता हूँ. The next word is domicile. Domicile means निवासी होना. या I am domicile of उत्तर प्रदेश. मैं उत्तर प्रदेश का निवासी हूँ. और I am domicile of India. मैं भारत का निवासी हूँ. So I am telling you this word that domicile is निवास स्थान और अधिवासी. So next word is exacerbate. Exacerbate means तीव्र करना. So you can exacerbate the matter today. तुम इस मामले को क्या कर सकते हो, exacerbate मतलब तीव्र कर सकते हो. So that's why I am telling you to go away from this place. इसीलिए मैं आपसे कह रहा हूँ इस स्थान से दूर चले जाओ. If you are going somewhere else, यदि तुम कहीं दूर जा रहे हो, it means that we can minimize the matter very well. हम matter को, मामले को कम कर सकते हैं. So there I am telling you this word exacerbate, which is going to produce the meaning, जो एक अर्थ उत्पन्न करने जा रहा है, that is तीव्र करना. So I am telling you by using this exacerbate word that don't exacerbate this matter. इस matter को तीव्र मत करो. Please, I am requesting you by folding my hands. Please don't do that. कृपया उससे ऐसा न करो. I am using next word, that is enough. Enough means पर्याप्त या काफी. This word is very simple and I am telling you that there are other meaning of this, that is sufficient is also producing the same meaning. Sufficient and enough both are synonyms of each other, and I'm telling you that enough and sufficient are producing the same kind of meaning. Enough और sufficient दोनों समान प्रकार का अर्थ उत्पन्न करते हैं. So I'm telling you that by using this word enough or sufficient, you can say that the matter which were produced in front of the judge, that was enough or sufficient for coming to the conclusion. जो भी मामला जज के सामने प्रस्तुत किया गया वो पूर्णतः सफिशिएंट पर्याप्त था कि मामले जज रिजल्ट तक पहुंचे. सो जज कैन कम टू द कंक्लूजन, जज निष्कर्ष तक पहुंचे. सो नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज ट्रेजेक्टरी. द ट्रेजेक्टरी प्रक्षेपण पथ. द ट्रेजेक्टरी of SpaceX shuttle was not good. That's why it damaged in its first flight. The trajectory of प्रक्षेपण पथ of the SpaceX shuttle was not right. सही नहीं था. That's why it damaged in the way. इसीलिए ये रास्ते में damaged हो गया. Next word is investment. Investments means निवेश करना, लागत लगाना या पूंजी लगाना. So I have invested too much money to start a YouTube class. So I'm telling you, please learn with me and support me and try to subscribe my channel so that I can grow very well there. So please tell me, try to understand that what I'm telling you, this is going to be investment, and this world is very simple, that India has invested a lot of money in the solar energy. Solar energy में भारत ने बहुत सारा पैसा खर्च किया है. And I am talking about Tesla and SpaceX. The Elon Musk has invested a lot of money to send human beings to the space, or out of the space, or somewhere to be settled down at Mars or moon. You can say that he wanted to do that. Next word is intended. भावी या नियत होना, अभिष्ट होना. I'm not intended to do that kind of work. मैं नियत नहीं हूँ वैसा कार्य करने के लिए. I'm telling you the truth. मैं तुमको सच्चाई बता रहा हूँ. The next word is going to be here. That is macroeconomic. Macroeconomic means the bigger part of economics are the bigger things, bigger ideas, not microeconomics. That is the opposite of macroeconomic. That is opposite of macroeconomics. So I'm telling about that. The macroeconomic means the bigger part of economics. So next word is here. Spirit. The spirit of Mahatma Gandhi is present even in India through his deeds and through his written materials, and we, the student of the country, are learning them, and we are inspired by Mahatma Gandhi and his teaching and his non-violence ideas. And even today, the whole world is celebrating the 2nd October as a non-violence day around the world. So I'm telling you that spirit is the great thing of Mahatma Gandhi. I'm using the next word, ingenuity. Ingenuity means होता है what? पटुता. So I'm telling you that he is really ingenuitically bigger person. वह पटुता स्वरूप बहुत बड़ा व्यक्ति है, and he can fight with anyone. वो किसी से भी लड़ सकता है, even the lawyer of the country, देश के वकीलों से भी. And I'm telling you that he is so great. वो इतना महान है that he can easily talk very well with anyone, and he is able to convince anyone very easily. वो किसी को भी सरलता से convince मतलब समझा लेता है या convince कर लेता है. Next word is neutrality. निष्पक्षता. The neutrality of judge is actually not present in today's era. वर्तमान युग में न्यूट्रलिटी निष्पक्षता जजों की उपलब्ध नहीं है. So I'm telling you that judges should be so much neutral that they don't be affected by any emotional ideas by anyone. So that must be neutral or neutrality. Next word is immediate, tatkalik. The immediate actions should be taken by the doctors in reference of giving support to the injured person in criminal activities. So I'm telling you that if you're using this sentence, then you can learn something better. So next word is testament. I'm talking about this word, that is testament. Vidhan ya wasiyat. Testament means something it is part of Christianity, and I'm telling you that testament is the word which is actually giving you the meaning that we have learned Old Testament and New Testament. So we can say that New Testament came later after Old Testament. Old Testament के बाद New Testament आया. We can say that foreign, विदेशी. I don't like foreigners. Really? No. Everybody must like foreigners because the earth is like our mother, and we should accept everybody as our brother and sisters, because there is no barrier of boundaries, there is no barrier of countries. Everybody is equal. We should believe that actually everybody is equal, and this language which I am teaching you, this is really going to be connect everybody with each other, and in future I am expecting that this whole world should be connected with each other and they should respect each other, and that's kind of cosmopolitan thoughts and idea is present in me, and I'm telling you that that can be truly going to be true in future. So next word is anxiety. I'm telling this word anxiety. Anxiety is a word which is a kind of disease, which is a mental disease in which people used to take take stress in their minds, and they use to think illusionary thoughts and ideas. So illusionary means होता है what जो कर सकते हैं हम कि जो भ्रम वाली चीजें होती हैं उनको विचार रखते हैं, उन सबको कर सकते हैं कि वो एंजाइटी से ग्रसित होते हैं. So if you want to come out from anxiety, you should do yoga and you should do meditation, and if you are doing that, then you can easily come out from anxiety. So anxiety is not so much big troubling things in your life. You can come very easily from anxiety. Next word is formal, ಔಪಚಾರಿಕ. The formal meeting was held between India and Pakistan. पाकिस्तान और भारत के बीच में औपचारिक मीटिंग हुई. So next word is employment. I'm telling you that in present we should be very active to get at least employed, because employment is very necessary to pass a very peaceful life. If you are not employed anywhere, then you can't pass a peaceful life in this soaring prices era. इस बढ़ती हुई महंगाई के युग में आप अच्छा जीवन नहीं व्यतीत कर सकते हैं until you are employed somewhere, कि जब तक कि आप कहीं employed नहीं है. So next word is incremental, वृद्धि संबंधी. The incremental activities was done by him in that respect. उस संदर्भ में जो बढ़ोतरी या वृद्धि संबंधी एक्टिविटीज गतिविधि थी उसके द्वारा की गई. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज ऑटोक्रेटिक. आई एम टेलिंग यू दिस वर्ड दैट इज ऑटोक्रेटिक, स्वेच्छाचारी, who always think that I am what I am telling, what I am thinking, that is really correct. That is autocratic ideas. And if you are imposing your ideas upon someone, it means you are behaving like an autocrat. आप एक autocrat के रूप में व्यवहार कर रहे हैं. Next word is ruthless. Next word is ruthless. Ruthless means होता है what? Ruthless means निष्ठुर या बेरहम. The person was totally ruthless because he don't show his mercy upon the needy. आवश्यक व्यक्ति पर उसने दया नहीं दिखाई, इसलिए हम कह सकते हैं the person was so ruthless. व्यक्ति बहुत ज्यादा बेरहम था. Particularly, खास तौर पर, particularly India is going to be superpower before 2047. Particularly विशेष तौर पे या खास तौर पे हम कर सकते हैं India is going to become the superpower of the world before 2047, and that can be possible when every Indians will do something for the development of their country. If every Indian has ideas in their mind that whatever I'm doing, that is going to aid something for the development of my country. So I'm going to tell you the next word, that is influence. This word is very simple here. Influence means प्रभावशाली या असर डालने वाला. So influence, the influence of that person, उस व्यक्ति का प्रभाव was seen upon me, मेरे ऊपर देखा जा सकता था. So next word is perhaps. Perhaps means शायद. Perhaps I can become a good teacher of English language. शायद मैं एक अच्छा अध्यापक अंग्रेजी का बन सकता हूँ. But I have to work hard. लेकिन मुझे कठिन परिश्रम करना है. I have to come regularly online. मुझे नियमित ऑनलाइन आना है. And I have to do something great for the development of my country. और मुझे अपने देश के विकास के लिए कुछ करना है. So I am telling you this by teaching English language. Do you know what can be? We can make much more person and personality of our country to be implied. Because if you know English language, you can't be unemployed. If you know English language, you can at least earn your living, earn your livelihood very easily. So learn this language. इस भाषा को सीखिए. Increase बढ़ना या बढ़ाना. So I'm telling you, don't increase the trouble of your parents. अपने माता पिता के परेशानियों को मत बढ़ाओ. Please try to understand my words. कृपया मेरे शब्दों को ध्यान दीजिए. And don't do that. Ground, भूमि, जमीन. The ground of India is very solid. भारत की भूमि बहुत ठोस है. So I'm telling you that the ground of this case is very valid. इस मामले की तह या आधार या मूल क्या है, बहुत ही obviously true है. पूर्णतः क्या है, ट्रू है, सत्य है. प्रायोरिटाइज मीन्स प्राथमिकता देना. There is priorities to the elementary education in our country. हमारे देश में प्राथमिक शिक्षा की क्या है, प्राथमिकता है. So we should prioritize the primary education in our country. Next word is violence. So I can tell you that Mahatma Gandhi, the great personality, was totally against to violence, and he was totally telling to the people that non-violence is the real path to reach to our independent, and we can easily become independent by adopting the path of non-violence. Non-violence के पथ को हम धारण करके easily independence प्राप्त कर सकते हैं. So next word is substantial. Substantial means वास्तविक. The substantial thing of this idea, इस विचार का वास्तविक चीज यह है that he, the person, those are involved in this case, जो लोग इस मामले में involved जुड़े हुए हैं, so they can't come out from jail. वे जेल से बाहर नहीं आ सकते हैं. Next word is integrating. Integrating एकीकरण. Integrating means एकीकरण. The integration of India was done by whom? By the great personality of India that is known as Sardar, and his name was Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So integration of India was done by him. Expenditure. The expenditure of taking cure from a private hospital is really going high, and we, the common people of the country, can't bear the expenditure of a private hospital. So I am requesting to everybody, please try to adopt those ideas, those generic medicines, and reduce your expenditure. अपने खर्चों को कम करो. Legitimate, I can tell you that the legitimate idea of the country is that भारत का legitimate उचित या तर्क संगत विचार यह है that कि we are not going to fight with China, we are not going to fight with Pakistan, we are just here to fight with poverty, we are just here to fight with illiteracy, we are just here to fight with those troubles which are really going forward, are increasing day by day in India. So we have to fight with pollution, we have to fight with illiteracy, we have to fight with unemployment, we have to fight with what? We have to fight with unhealthiness. So I am telling you, these all things must be fought today. Next word is transparency. What is that meaning? The transparency is giving us meaning that pardarshi. So pardarshi is the word of transparency. Transparency means pardarshi. No, that's pardarsita. Pardarshi means transparent. Transparent means hota hai pardarshi, or transparency means pardarsita. So pardarsita, transparency. It means the work which is done by the Indian officials, भारतीय कर्मचारियों द्वारा जो कार्य किया गया, that is totally transparent, वो वास्तव में पारदर्शी है. And in that work, उस कार्य में transparency is taken as an important task. Transparency एक महत्वपूर्ण कार्य के रूप में लिया गया है. Landscape, भूदृश्य या प्राकृतिक दृश्य. The landscape of Jammu and Kashmir is so beautiful that can mesmerize everyone, जो कि सभी को आश्चर्यचकित कर सकती है. So I am totally mesmerized, और मैं पूर्णतः आश्चर्यचकित हूँ that in future I will visit to that place and to take better inspiration from that village. Okay, next word is unaddressed. पता रहित, unaddressed. Unaddressed means पता रहित या न कहा गया, unaddressed. So पता रहित. Whatever the letter came to me, that was unaddressed. जो भी पत्र मेरे पास आया वह बिना पते का था. Growing, प्रगतिशील या बढ़ता हुआ. The growing industry in our India is that is nothing than coaching centers. That is growing very well, and many coaching centers are opening here and there, and they are earning huge amount of money. So come and study without paying money. So study with me. Growing word is used here. Incentive, prerak, prosahan. I am talking about this word, that is prosahan. Prosahan means what? Incentive. Incentive is also provided to the employee of a company so that he can do something great in his life for the betterment of the company. So next word is beyond. Beyond means ke pare ya bahar. We can't say that beyond going to your company, अपने कंपनी से परे जाकर के you can do anything. So I am telling you that don't do anything beyond your company. अपनी कंपनी से बाहर जाके कुछ न करो. Please follow the rules and regulations of your company and do something for the development of your company so that you can get better incentive and you can flourish in your life very well. So come with me. This word is going to tell you the real meaning. Next word is liquidity. This is Ravata. I am talking about liquidity. Liquidity is presented here. The meaning of liquidity is Dravata. It means liquidity can tell you that something which is liquid and which is able to flow from up to down. That word is given over here. So in this way we have learned several words. I have tried my best to teach you that you can learn how to speak English language. So these all things are very simple, and I am telling you these all words in a very simple way. Try to understand these words. These all words has been taken from newspapers, and these all words comes in newspapers. And if you want to learn English language like this, come to my channel and study this. And please try to subscribe it, and please try to subscribe. Try to give your what, like and share, and do something for my growth of channel. So So please like, share and subscribe my channel and learn English language and nothing else. So take care. Bye bye.